You won a judgment against a self-employed debtor. Standard wage garnishment doesn't apply. There's no employer to serve. But self-employed debtors actually have more potential collection points than employees, if you know where to look. Here's how to collect. I'm with peoplelocatorskiptracing.com, and we work cases against self-employed debtors regularly. Here's the framework. Accounts receivable are the wage equivalent for self-employed debtors. Money owed to the debtor by their customers can be reached through third-party levies served on those customers. The debtor's clients become garnishees, withholding the next payment they owe the debtor. Identifying the customer base requires investigation. The debtor's website, social media business presence, and online reviews often name specific customers. Tax returns reveal payers that issued 1099s. Bank accounts are critical. Self-employed people have business bank accounts, personal accounts, and sometimes multiple accounts at different institutions. Each is independently leviable. Business equipment is reachable. Tools, machinery, computers, vehicles, and inventory used in the business are all collectible assets, subject to applicable exemptions. Business interests themselves can be reached. If the debtor operates as an LLC, corporation, or partnership, their ownership interest in the entity is property subject to collection. Charging orders against LLC interests can divert distributions from the debtor. Real estate used in business is collectible. Office buildings, warehouses, and rental properties are all reachable through judgment liens. Vehicles, especially commercial vehicles, are collectible. A self-employed contractor with 3 trucks has 3 potentially leviable assets. Intellectual property, patents, trademarks, copyrights, can be reached, though enforcement is complex. Tax refunds, including business tax refunds, can be intercepted in some circumstances. Future income from contracts already signed but not yet performed can be reached through specific procedures. Self-employed debtors often try to hide assets through business entities and family ownership. A professional asset search uncovers these structures by tracing entity ownership, business filings, and aliases. The debtor's exam, called supplementary proceedings or judgment debtor examination depending on the state, compels the debtor to disclose assets under oath. For professional asset searches and judgment recovery support, visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com. 20 years of helping creditors collect from self-employed debtors.